for what? The global AI market is about to reach $1.8 trillion by 2030. And the $1 trillion question is, how do I make sure that I get real value out of it? And I'll give you a hint. The answer needs to be tied to your business KPI improvements. Now, for those in this space, you know the long and winding road to get to create value with AI is filled with pitfalls. If you look at the landscape today, you have plenty of tools out there. You can go anywhere from infrastructure to data science platforms. You have open source tools, ML models, libraries, LLMs, you name it. So all you need to do is pick and choose from the best tools you want, any algorithm you know, and you test it. And if it doesn't work very well, you can try again. You can build something else, and come on, we are resilient. And you try again until you reach your human limits. Well, there's some news for you. Every AI system can be improved, but perhaps not by humans. Our revolutionary approach borrows methods from biology. The same way we got here through the evolution of microorganisms, we actually built millions, billions, trillions of AI pipelines, and using computational algorithms called genetic algorithms, we improve their generation after generation until they meet your business KPIs. Now, if you want to have a glance of what it looks like, pretend that your business problem is, I want to recreate the Mona Lisa. Well, unless you have some real artists in the crowd, I think you're going to pick some options there, and you're going to build a solution, and you're going to say it's probably going to work. Well, maybe not. Maybe you get something not that close to the Mona Lisa. So you have a different approach. You can actually use our genetic algorithm platform and acknowledge, I don't actually know how to do that, but I'm going to go and I'm going to tell the system, please build me millions, billions, trillions of solutions, populations of solutions. As you see, they all look really lame at first, but they're not equally bad. And through mutations and other combinations, they start getting a little bit better through natural selection. And eventually, you're going to get to the solution that is the global optimum, and this is mathematically proved. You're going to get to the closest solution based on your business KPI definitions. Well, this technology has been actually deployed in over 40 organizations, from the Israeli Air Force down to unicorns, hospitals, Hyundai, and Johnson & Johnson. The business model is also innovative. You can go through a traditional SaaS subscription model, or you can pay just per improvement. Once you get the AI improvements based on your own definition of what's meaningful for your business, then you download the model and you play with it. Our business model enjoys a very symbiotic relationship with our ecosystem. The cloud providers love us. We drive cloud consumption. The service providers love us because we get value out of their engagements with their customers. So everybody wins. Our team has overall 100 years of experience in cloud and AI. Microsoft, Stanford University, you name it. Our chairman was running the largest system integrator in Israel and joined us. Every AI system can be improved, but maybe not by humans. That's it. We are evolution. Earth, the evolutionary platform. You can take machine learning beyond human limits. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Questions? We're here.
You choose.
Could you please briefly describe a concrete use case?
Yeah. So there are dozens of use cases. I can tell you one particular one we used in a construction company back in Israel, which was a common problem in AI. Your data is not good enough for training a model. So we actually use genetic algorithms to actually create synthetic data. So we're looking for safety hazards, and we couldn't find humanly all possible combinations of somebody not wearing a helmet, a tractor going down a certain path. It's just very hard for everyone to imagine all these possibilities, and we don't have enough examples in real life. Thank God, people didn't die that much. So we actually use this system to create millions, billions, trillions of combinations of data sets until we could actually train the system, and then increase their accuracy from 65 to 95%.
Another question here and then there.
Thank you. Just to understand, you are a rapper of all rappers. That's it. I mean, you give connection, you treat the data, and then you go after all AI systems and you see which one is best to fit the client's demand. Is that it?
Yeah, so basically what we do is we have a UI that allows you to describe your data, describe your business metrics, and create your universe of solutions. I want to use those tools, I want to choose among these algorithms, I want to use PyTorch, you name whatever you want. We connect those systems, and now what we do is say, let's reverse engineer. Where do you want to get? What are the trade-offs on the results that you want to get? And then we reverse engineer, and using that, those constraints, we'll build the optimal solution for you.
And how automated is that?
It's about 70 to 80% automated today. The goal is to be 100% very soon.
We have 45 seconds
Okay,
to another question.
what are your costs? I mean, you guys rely on heavy computing, right?
Yes.
So what are your costs related to the whole process?
So yeah, so this was something that was in the academia for 50 years, and it was economically unfeasible until 2019 when we started. Today, we basically, your cost depends, of course, on the use case, but it could be something like $2 an hour if you actually do a pay-as-you-go. It depends on your case, but this is a simple case. We also sell subscriptions. They go for a few $1,000s a month up to $20,000 or $30,000 a month. So they actually, if you compare to the human cost of not just paying salaries, but actually failing on the project, they're actually extremely reasonable.
Okay, thank you so much. Thumbs up, congratulations. Good luck. It's for them. Thank you.